Hey everyone, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, where we turn every corner of your home into something truly stunning. Today, we are diving into one of the most creative and underrated tools in home decor, wallpaper. From bold statements to subtle elegance, wallpaper isn't just for walls anymore. If you're ready to think outside the box, or in this case, off the wall, keep watching. So first up, ceilings. Yes, ceilings. Think of them as your home's fifth wall, one that doesn't get so much love though. But a patterned or textured wallpaper on the ceiling can instantly make a room feel taller, more finished, and incredibly chic. It's a surprising twist that draws the eye upward and adds a serious wow factor. Now you can even do this if you choose not to wallpaper any of your walls. You can just use the wallpaper on the ceiling. It's a really cool look that a lot of designers are going for now. So now we're probably going to talk about the most obvious one on this list, which is wallpaper on walls. Of course, walls are the classic canvas for wallpaper, but instead of papering a whole room, consider creating a bold accent wall or layering different prints for a really fresh designer look. Wallpaper instantly transforms any boring wall into a true showstopper. Okay, now here's one that I found that I thought was really fun and funky. If you're ready to really blow minds, wallpaper your refrigerator. It's a super fun, renter-friendly way to add color and style to your kitchen. And in essence, it's making a unique focal point in your kitchen. Think of it as an accent piece for your kitchen. So go for a really bold pattern or a retro vibe. The best part is you can switch it out whenever you feel like it. Just utilize peel and stick wallpaper. This is just such a cute thing. I can't believe I think I saw this about a year ago and my mind was just blown. So here's another really fun one. I feel like it's a little more popular than wallpapering your refrigerator, so you definitely may have seen this one. And this is wallpapering your furniture. Yes, your furniture. You can wrap dresser drawers, the top of a side table, and a lot of cabinet doors and closet doors. It's an awesome way to breathe new life into old pieces and create totally custom furniture that looks straight out of a boutique, right? There are tons of DIY instructions on how to do this on Google and Pinterest, and I really think this is a great way to create a custom piece for your living room, your bedroom, your kitchen, wherever, and you're sure not to see this in every home in your neighborhood. This is really personalized just for you. So here's another one that I found and I really just thought it was cool. This is wallpaper on stair risers. Now, I've never owned a two-story home, just one story, so I've never done this myself. However, if you have, please let me know. you can transform your staircase with wallpapered risers. Just pick a pattern that plays with your existing decor or go totally bold with contrasting colors. It adds so much character and charm without the commitment of redoing your entire staircase. I've seen some that just really play with the pattern and some that will like take 2 or 3 coordinating patterns and just stagger it. So I think it's a really cool idea. Let me know if you've tried it. Okay, so I love so many of these ideas, but this is probably one of my favorite ways to use wallpaper, and it's using wallpaper as accents. Now, wallpaper doesn't have to take center stage to really make an impact. You don't have to wallpaper your whole room. This allows you to use strips or small sections as accents inside bookshelves, around door frames, inside cabinets. I've even seen some bedrooms that use some strips of wallpaper to create an accent headboard in a way. They just placed it behind their bed and it was so creative. I think that's so cool. It's a really subtle touch that makes a big difference and adds that custom designed feel. Now, the pro on this is the fact that you don't have to financially fund wallpapering a whole room. Even if you get a great deal on it, you can just probably purchase a few yards just to do your accent pieces. Man, that's less than $100, and it's so easy to really just make your home feel personable just to you. So this is one that kind of blew my mind. Of course, I knew that this was an option, but honestly, once I thought about it, I've never seen it done. I've only seen it in magazines or home decor shows. I've never really seen this done. So if you're not ready to commit to a full wall, no worries. Frame a piece of beautiful wallpaper and boom, instant art. It's budget friendly. You can use just a scrap of wallpaper that you got from somewhere, depending on what size artwork that you want, and it's super stylish. It lets you swap out designs easily whenever the mood strikes. This is a great idea. So wrapping up, wallpaper is one of the most creative tools that you can use to make your home truly yours. Whether you go bold or just keep it nice and subtle, it's all about having fun and expressing your personal style. So which idea are you excited to try first? Drop it in the comments below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got so many more amazing ideas coming your way. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.